Hey y'all, I'm here with my mom today and I'm so excited because we are going to be doing a Christmas home tour of her house. She is an interior designer and I cannot wait to show you what she has in store. Let's get started.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light.
So this is what I have as soon as you walk into my home. This is in my foyer. And I'd love to start off the scene when people walk in by having a beautiful nativity.
Before, as they walk from house to house.
As you can see, we are in the dining room now, which is right next to the foyer. And I've implemented a little bit of Christmas with this tall, slender, slim artificial tree in the corner. I have only put a few of the wire twinkle lights on it and some really pretty Christmas balls that are glass and all the pretty shades and colors. This is one of my favorite Christmas trees. So come on in here and let's see what we have in the kitchen and living room. This is our keeping room. This is adjoined to my kitchen. And actually this is where we spend most or all of our time when all of the kids are home. Of course, this is where we watch our Christmas movies, listen to our Christmas music. We have a small fireplace in here. And from here you can see I have some garland on this fireplace mantle. This is just greens in here. This year I did decide to add a few Christmas balls, and what I did was I just bunched them together. This is just the balls that are on the dining room tree. I put them all together on some floral wire and then just stuck them in the different areas, and then that just gives this garland a little bit of color. I love the twinkle lights in here. And then these things that are hanging are another nativity. I love nativities. They're all over my house. And this is, instead of putting it on the tree, I just hung it from my mantle. And then we move on to my little village. All of this was purchased at Target in the dollar section. And the houses come in a 3-pack. I love the mixture of the natural and the green trees. And then, so moving on to our formal living room.
But the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree.
I put a little bit of sparkle on the mantle. It says Merry Christmas. It's really pretty. We do have a lot of greenery, of course the twinkle lights, and I have mixed gold and silver, which I really do love the two finishes together.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself.
This is my Christmas tree. The Christmas tree is 12 foot tall. As you can see, my ceilings are pretty tall in here. And I was really worried about decorating the tree this year because it is an artificial tree. We have allergies here in the house, so it is an artificial tree. And I guess what I don't like about an artificial tree is that it's so shaped the same on the sides. So I did not want it to be so uniform. So for my tree, I added different greens to the tree to kind of bring it out. I bought greenery and I flocked the greenery. I have this different greenery that I stuck within the tree that has a little bit of sparkle on it, which I really like, as well as a dried eucalyptus. So you don't have to just use artificial greenery. This is actually a dried eucalyptus. The other thing that I added to this tree that I really do like is this decorative ribbon. So I have 2 different types of ribbon in this tree, and it's this one as well as one more right here. I love the glitter, I love the sparkle, and these are just glass ornaments that I've been collecting for many years. It's really important in a big tree like this, or really in any tree, that you stuff the ornaments inside the tree. So all of my big things go inside the tree, and then it gets smaller as you come out. 2 other things that I used on this tree that I think really make a huge difference is I have these glitter balls. They're actually picks They're in threes, and so you really just stick those in the tree. And I like that they come out of it. Don't stick all the way in. Let the tree kind of form its own shape. And then the other pick that I really love this year are these little picks. This came from Hobby Lobby, but they really give the tree movement. And of course, there's that sparkle again that I love so much.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
The sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh.
I'm going to talk about how my mom wraps her present. She has taught me from a very young age to always add to the bow. So she has so many gifts under the tree, which I'm just so impressed because it's not even Christmas. We still have like 9 days. And one thing that she has always done is she used a really inexpensive, pretty colored ribbon. And she just finds these really small ornaments that you can hang on a Christmas tree and just simply adds them to the ribbon. And it just adds such a pretty touch. She also will add some real live greenery, and you'll just put that on at last minute when they get the gift. This is for a guy, and so these colors go really well.
And that little ornament is from the dollar store.
Oh, wow. So that is from the dollar store. And yeah, these do not have to be expensive.
It came in a pack of 4.
Awesome. And then lastly, always add jingle bells.
Thank you all for joining us on Instagram. It's been fun. I want to thank Annalise for all of her professional skills.
Oh yeah, thank you.
That Gina have. This has been a lot of fun.
I will be linking as much as possible on my Like to Know It, so be looking out for that. We hope that you have a Merry Christmas, and thank you so much, Mom. I had so much fun with you, and I'm so thankful to have a mom that can decorate this well. I would be in trouble. Anyway, I hope you all have a Merry Christmas, and cheers.
Merry Christmas.
Cheers.